So at this point, we have our bird. I'm surprised none of the boys have jumped up and started singing. It would have been nice if they knew more of the lyrics. Not that there are a whole lot in that song. Anyways, okay, so we're going to take our compass. We're going to take our compass. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. We are going to take our compass because we are following the directions.
Yes, we are following.
And you're going to place your compass point on the intersection of your purple diameter. And this has to be perfect. Anything short of perfect and it's just not going to work out. And you're going to place your pencil point on the intersection of my orange line and the circle. Yeah, you're going to have to change it. And you should just touch the intersection of both my orange lines and the circles. And then you're going to make an arc. I'm going to draw this as a large arc. All you really care about is the intersection of your large circle and this arc. That's all you really care about. But I'm going to draw the whole thing because I am. So the reason why I made my whole arc is to show that I am touching this intersection here and this intersection here with my compass. But I only really care this one, and I only really care about this intersection here and this intersection here. Excuse me, Ian? This one? This one? Oh, this does not matter. All right. So now, to make my 5 points, I'm going to place my compass point on the intersection of my red arc. So my compass point is on this intersection here, just making sure it's on. And then I'm going to enlarge my compass setting so that the pencil is touching the other red arc and the circle intersection. So I am connecting this point of intersection with this point of intersection right here.
Yeah, mine does not reach that far.
It does not reach that far. Okay, let's see what we can do about that.
Mine doesn't reach that either.
All right, so once you measured this distance is actually 1/5 of the distance around the circle. So you're not going to let this compass point move. You're going to slide it up here, and you're going to make an arc. Then you're going to take your compass point. Don't let it change settings. You're going to place the metal point on the intersection of the other side of your red arc. And you're going to swing your compass, okay. And you're going to make an arc on the other side of your drawing. And now here is the double check to see if you did everything right. So we have from here to here, that's 2. From here to here, 3. From here to here, 4. And from here to here, 5. We have divided this into 5 equal segments. Now, to double check that this is constructed accurately, I'm going to have to take my compass, place the metal point here, and when I swing this over, it should go right through the intersection of my second diameter. Oh, I'm pretty darn close. So it appears a wee bit off, but this is going to be okay. There we go. There we go. Oops. So, at this point, we have divided the circle into 5 equal sections, which is convenient because we want a star which has 5 points. Excellent. So what I'm going to do is I am going to now make a pentagon. Incidentally, I believe the Pentagon is the largest office building in the world. I'm not sure about that, but I think I heard that somewhere. So we are going to connect all of our red arcs. Now, apart from drawing errors in the construction, another big problem with this is that students a lot of times forget what they're connecting. So what I would recommend to you is to make extremely light circles around your 5 points of your star, just so that you know where they are. And then you're going to obviously erase them later. So I'm going to connect this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. So this doesn't violate the no freehand drawing rule because I'm going to erase them. I'm not using it to construct anything. It's just a reminder for me where my 5 points are. So I'm going to take my ruler, and I am going to connect. Okay, and this is a little off because this is, obviously is obnoxious. So I'm going to connect these 2 points here, and this can be fairly dark. Connect these 2 points here. Connect these 2 points here. These 2 points here. And finally these 2 points here. And so now I have my pentagon. As you might guess, your next step, you're going to connect your points, your pentagonal points, with all of the other points that haven't already been connected. So I'm going to connect, if I start at the top, this point with this point with this point here. And these lines can be fairly dark because I can see that I'm going to be using them in all of the drawings, or in the whole drawing. So I'm going to be okay there. Then I'm going to connect this point with this point. This point with this point. This point with this point. And I think I have all of them. I do. All right. The last thing I'm going to show on this video, so we have completed the 5-point construction. If you wanted to take this to a 10-point construction, here's what you would do. You would continue this idea by connecting your point of intersection with this point of intersection here. So I'm going to do this slightly lighter. So you can see that my line is going from this point of the star through this intersection all the way to the end of the circle. And I'm going to do that for all 5 of my points. So I'm obviously going from this point of intersection to this point of intersection, and all the way through to the edge of the circle. And then last one, through this point, all the way to the edge of the circle. And so now I have turned my 5-point construction into a 10-point construction. The 10 points being 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm missing one. 10 through this point of intersection here, all the way through to the edge of the circle. 10. So there is your 10-point construction.